Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not using AI for literally anything, then you're going to be left behind. Today, we're going to have a look at Supermaven. We're also going to have a look at Tabnine, and we're going to have a look at Copilot. And we want to know which one of these AI tools is actually going to be beneficial for you as an individual. So without further ado, let's check them out. Okay, jumping into Supermaven now. Some of their core features include an extensive language support. So yes, it has comprehensive AI coding completion for more than 24 programming languages. This means that it empowers you as a developer across multiple technology stacks. It also means that there is 1 million token context windows, enabling true understanding of your entire code base, providing a deep contextual suggestion system rather than just on a simple, more base level. You can see also it has industry-leading 250 millisecond response time. This is 3 times faster than any of its competitors, ensuring productivity without any unnecessary interruptions. You can also see that it has adaptive intelligence now. This is something that really stands out. It learns and adapts to your unique coding style and project APIs, becoming more personalized and more accurate over time. So it's like having an assistant that you're training while you're working without having to actually put any effort into training it. It also has specialized chat interfaces with a code diff visualization and file attachment capabilities for seamless collaboration. And it has a deep understanding of your project's structure, which enables a rapid, more relevant suggestion system that aligns with your development goals rather than just randomly giving you suggestions. The last thing over here you can see is some of their use cases and their typical users. So it's great for software engineers, data scientists, and web or mobile developers with intelligent assistance across multiple domains. It also supports comprehensive analysis of complex code bases, enabling real-time refactoring and optimization suggestions. It's ideal for full stack, back-end, front-end, and DevOps workflows. It enhances productivity with a multi-language programming support. Okay, we're looking at Tabnine now, and if you've watched a couple of our previous videos, we have covered Tabnine, but for now, we're going to have a look at some of their core features and some of their updated unique advantages. So it does offer support for over 80 languages and frameworks. It's best in its class for code completion. It has advanced AI chat integrations, and it generates code, it tests documentation and explanations. It is really fantastic. It also gives you full privacy and compliance, ensuring that your code never actually leaves your environment, making it a better option for sensitive projects. You can also see that tab 9 gives you access to context-relevant references and solutions specifically for your workspace. It accelerates the planning phase of development, if anything, and it also helps you identify bugs, document, explain, and refactor legacy code directly within your preferred IDE environment. It also generates new code and receives real-time suggestions while using natural language prompts that understand your project requirements. And so just at a glance, you can see that it has language support of more than 80 languages and frameworks. It has that context window. It is project relevant context. The privacy and security gives you a full local privacy guarantee, and it guarantees all major IDE integrations as well, and it's quite notable for its enterprise-wide adoption. If you're looking for a tool to really speed up productivity, Tabnine is definitely an option. So jumping into GitHub here, GitHub's Copilot is fantastic. I have actually used it before, very easy to use. It's developed by GitHub and OpenAI, and it integrates directly into your favorite code editor. It also offers real-time code completions
as you type, adapting to your personal coding style. This is great because you're not becoming over dependent on the assistant, but it's actually working with you instead of doing the work for you. It also works with JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, and many other programming languages. So whatever language it is that you are using, it is compatible. You can see also over here, some of the key benefits is that it boosts your speed. So your average productivity increases for experienced developers by up to 55%. It also has more than 100 programming languages and frameworks that are supported. And it reduces the time spent writing repetitive code patterns by 75%. That is really amazing. You can see over here some of their additional features. It continues to evolve with powerful capabilities that enhance your development experience rather than take it over. You can see that it has a Copilot chat, so you can actually get coding questions answered directly within your editor without context switching. You can also see that it has command line integration, which we spoke about earlier on. It generates shell commands through natural language descriptions. It also receives clear explanations of errors and suggested fixes. And then it automatically generates concise PR descriptions from your code changes, which again is absolutely fantastic. It's a great all-in-one tool.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, some of the best in this class. My takeaway is always to go and try each and every one of them and see what actually works for you in a real life scenario. Put them to the test, see if they actually work for you. Now, if this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, help us grow our channel. So we'll see you next time. Peace.